This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Ninja.
No, they won't. Like, the problem with the heart is that you can only tell something's wrong while it's happening.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Omnius.
Good morning.
Give me half a second here. Chat.
I get my stuff going. I'm gonna get back with you guys in a minute.
Okay, we'll take a look. We'll see what's happening in the overnight market. Set it up to live chat. What do I gotta do here? This. Yep, little flowers are flying. Okay, streamer bot is opened. Okay, let's see what we got going here. Wow, holy shit. Holy shit. There's like no stopping this market, eh? It's just a freight train. Okay, well, let's mark in the new all-time highs. And we'll take a look at all the levels. That's good enough to know, but we're trading right at it again. That made trading a little bit hard yesterday. At least for me. Not really eager to take a long right at all-time highs. Once again, we're going to open up over the previous day's high. Obviously, over VWAP. Previous day's high was at 26,026. Previous day's close, 26,004. VWAP is sitting at 25.9. It looks like 988. Be cool if I could raise the font size on that. Maybe I can. A little bit of a shameless plug. Why not? Yeah, let me see if I can get the font bigger on this so I can check out the levels, properties. Give me a second. Text, there's got to be a text. Text. Boom, 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 boom. Text. Nah, just the color, eh? That's a right side margin. Oh no, there was a number there. Okay, doesn't look like it. Okay, so it is 26,988, 26,967 for the pre-market, and then 26,942. So we got a whole bunch of levels we're going to be opening up. Let's just look at the previous day's high. That could be the first place we bounce is 026. But I have to tell you, if you're looking at the 5-minute chart, the previous day's close was at 26,004. I should put it up here. You have it on the 5-minute chart. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart, top left. Let me do the settings and put in previous day's close. I hope it works. It doesn't work all the time. See, it's not working. Previous day's close is at 26,000 right there, and yet I do it and it doesn't show anything. Previous day's close. Let me go again over here. Let me make the thing wide. Okay. Okay. No, it's not giving it to me. What a bugger. Anyways, previous day's close at 26,000, but we also had this push at 9 o'clock off 26,000. So 26,000 is definitely an area I'm going to be looking at. Maybe we'll change up the messages in Nightbot. It's been a while. Go in Discord, let everyone know I'm streaming. CKS, join the world's biggest futures competition. Survive 2 weeks. Go live, get paid. Ah, shit, I didn't even look at that one. I don't even know who that is. Tradeify. Wow, Tradeify's having a big competition. That's okay. We gotta go take a look at that. Gotta make a note for that. What just happened? Control, copy, control, paste. Yeah, so that's the level I'm going to be watching, I guess. 26,000. Let me put in a line over there. There we go. 26,000. And 26,062. All-time high. Keep an eye on those two levels.
Good morning again.
Good morning again. Markets are screaming, eh? Can you believe it? Another, well, I won't say the overnight session because we just made a new all-time high like 10 minutes ago. It's just absolutely nuts what they're doing. 26,062. The only thing I'm really remarking at this point, I mean, we're opening above the previous day's high, previous day's close. We're opening above VWAP. We're opening above London session lows. We're opening above pre-market lows. So we're opening up above everything. The last place, if you look at the 5-minute chart where price really kind of pushed off aggressively, was 26,000, which is also the Globex open, I think, and the previous day's close. So 26,000 is a level I'm looking at. We're not that far away. We're 46 points away. So a lot of traders are going to be thinking about closing the gap, you know, when they see it at 9:30.
What gap you talking about?
Between the 9:30 open and the previous day's close at 26,004.
Okay.
That's what determines whether we're green on the day or not, is yesterday's close. If we're green or red, so if we open above it, we're green. If we get below it, we're red, so that's closing the gap. And that's it. I'm not going to look at the daily. Don't need to look at the daily. Not looking at the 4-hour. Yeah, it's just higher, higher, and higher.
To the moon.
Gold's a little discouraging. Shit. 39.42. It's really taking a hit. Wow.
You heard people are rotating out of gold?
Maybe. Yeah, I remember in the last market crash, people were talking, took 2 years to go up. And it only took 3 weeks to give it all back. Yeah, like Joker says, up with the stairs, down up, down is out the window.
Hear you? Do I hear me? Check.
Oh yeah, thanks for reminding me. Yeah, okay, yeah, you look good. Let me do a sound check also.
Think so.
Okay, yeah, you look good. Let me do
You might be a little bit louder. I don't know. Not sure what the settings are.
No, you're actually a little quieter.
Not sure what the settings are. Weird.
Okay, there we go. That's good. We're both on.
What are my audio settings? I don't know. It does seem a bit quieter. Why is that?
Hey, I'm just happy it captures the audio automatically, and I don't have to fix that every day. Also, I'm talking about your capture, the capture of your window.
What if I go over here? Can you hear me
Okay,
now? I feel like that one's louder. What's going on?
I hear you now. I'll let you know if I don't hear you. Check, check.
Yeah,
mic
but
check. Mic
I
check.
got
1, 2,
one-
3. Mic check. Check, check.
I got one scene about redlining, and I go to the other one. It's like in the middle.
Mm,
Well, I don't know.
let me get my 1, 2, 3.
Funny thing is, they should both be the same. Check. Check. Now that one's louder. I don't know. Who the hell knows how any of these things work?
9:25, 10 fucking minutes. Unbelievable.
Did you check out the setup?
No, I'm going right now, actually. That's why I'm laughing. I'm saying, wow. I hooked, I connected at 9:11, 9:12. It's 13 minutes later, and setup is, and even with the setup before, I'm still not finished with the setup. Omnius.
You like your name tags.
Hey, look at you. Are those little music instruments?
Yeah. I had a
Cool.
chart down there, but I didn't like it. What are you looking at?
Your page. Own your future. I'm trying to see, because I'm on my phone, so it's small. That thing in the middle, I can't see. Is that the day traders? You're watching? No. Okay, I like that. The Futures Crew. You got the live on the bottom. Wow, nice. Good job, man.
Oh, I see your chart's a bit lower. I might have to move my chart down a little bit more.
Is it? Do you hear the sound of my stream?
No.
Can you put it on for a sec?
Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Go. I hear me?
Wait.
I don't hear you unless you talk.
Yeah. I'm coming. Shit. I don't even know which one's working now. Hold on. I had two of the same thing, that's why. Yes, and there we
You
go.
guys are in the right place at the right time because this week's live stream and Prop Drop 500 Beta is proudly sponsored by Skeletor's Chocolate Salty Balls, the official snack of blown accounts everywhere. These chocolate salty balls are hand-rolled, high-risk snacks for traders who like it dark. Dipped in premium cocoa and perfectly seasoned with the salt of your tears, Skeletor's chocolate salty balls are best enjoyed after you get stopped out. So pop one in your mouth and remember, the market may take your money, but it can't take your balls.
I like it.
We got a sponsor. XD. I don't know what XD stands for, but I agree, Butters. XD. I hope that means let's make money today. Got an entry on already. An entry.
Yeah, I don't know what XD means either.
I got an entry on the Renko chart. Do I take it? There's 1 minute before the open. You know
Maybe
what? I'm going
XD
to
was
take
the
it.
smiley face. Oh, wait, the
That's what
open.
it's supposed to be.
Oh, man.
I'm going to take it. Yeah, 1 minute from the open. I'll take it for a 2-lot on my Apex account. At 54, let's see if I can get in a little bit better. I've been getting hurt lately on these trades.
Yeah, me too. Tell me about it.
On these pre-market trades.
Fuck, I'm late. Fuck, I'm late.
Well, I only took a... Hey, you won. I only took a 2-lot. We'll see what happens. Let's see if it continues to go higher.
You
Markets are
fucking
open in
kidding me?
13 seconds. Dang.
Get out. What the f-
Boom, markets are open. What are we going to do? Nice. Nice. Go, 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 go. I'll take it.
Yeah,
I'll take
beautiful,
$65
beautiful,
off
beautiful.
the
Only
open.
I was freaking 30 seconds late.
It's not a lot, 30 seconds. 75. I'll buy again a 2-lot. Over here. Change it to a 1-lot. Get out of a piece. It's not going. Come on, come on, come on.
Day trade.
75. If I see 61 on the bid, I'm out. 64. 62.
Guys over here scalping on the hourly chart.
Ow. It just gave me a headache. There we go. There we go. There we go. Nice push. There we go. Out. There's your $100 for the day on that account. Okay, let's move on next. Let's watch gold. Gold doesn't look like it has much of a range this morning, actually. You know, that trade gave me stress. 3.81.
Yeah, I missed my 5.5 point trade by 30 seconds.
Gold is the opposite. It's below previous day's low and previous day's close, obviously, and below VWAP. But trading at the upper end of the pre-market session. So a little bit different than the markets. Markets are up, up, and up. Gold is down, down, and up. 2-minute opening range trade. The Omnius special. What do we do? How do we try and get in on this? A
That
1-lot.
turned off.
89, 81. I don't know if I assume we're going to enter and I get in early and then I got to hold it all the way down. That's not really good. Good coffee. So I think I'll wait.
How is that even possible? I don't know. I still don't know if my stuff's working. I got in a trade and out of trade, but it's exactly at 0. Might be having issues again.
Oh, we got an entry. We got an entry at 89. Come on, get your finger on the mouse.
Short.
84. Long. There we go. Got in at 83.50. I will not complain about that entry, even if I lose, because that's an excellent entry. That's an excellent entry. The risk to return on that one is beautiful, with a high probability of success. But we'll just do a one lot.
Oh man, just traded
First
a 10
trade
lot.
of the day.
You told me to take a 10 lot.
Let's go, push. Let's get up to 96. 96. Come on, 96, 96.
96.50.
Another new all-time high. Let's hesitate at the 100. I got my finger on the close button. Shit.
Joker, good morning.
Okay, take me out. Take me out. Loser.
You
Loser,
out?
loser. I'm trying to get in on the bottom of this news pump. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Joker. First trade's a
Trade seems to
loser.
work. People shouldn't have to go through this to try to trade.
Let's move this line up. This line here is the all-time highs. Again, pretty much the only level I really got my eye on today is 26,000, which is where we pumped up from at pretty much at 9 o'clock, which is also, by coincidence, previous day's close. Right now, we broke above the pre-market highs at 26,062.
Guess I'm still going to have to set up that meeting with Ninja Trader.
ATR is, wow, really? Only 13 points? I thought it would be more than that. We got a band bounce. Didn't see that. At 67. I'll take a one lot right here. I got filled at 59. So that's 8 points better on the band bounce trade.
Long or short?
Long, but oof, I'm going to get stopped out. I'm very, very close to getting stopped out, like within a point or two. I'm hanging on by a thread here.
Yeah, we got a...
Nope.
Looks like a reversal bar on the 15-minute.
Got out. Got out. What chip? What's good? 26,000 is good. If you can get along at 26,000, I think that's a level to be looking at. Also, although 26,026, which is the pre-market high also. Yesterday's high, sorry. Okay, well, not a great start. 2 winners, 2 losers. Not the best start in the world.
They might be faking people out, get a bigger pullback. Looks like we're trying to put an inverse hammer on the 15-minute.
Yeah. I'm going to get a long entry on the Renkos there, right there at 61.
I'm fixing to take it too. If I can. Can I take it?
Yeah, I took it.
My Ninja Trader's acting weird. Again.
I'm not totally thrilled about this trade.
I didn't take it. Took it. Didn't take it. What the flip's going on, man?
Come on, go up a little bit. Let me improve my price. Now we watch. Now we watch. Hopefully we change directions here. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. Open it up a bit. Got a bullish bar over there, but we haven't broken the high of that bullish bar. Still haven't broken the high of a previous candle on the 1 minute.
Shows the trade on my chart, yet it don't show it on the
Mm,
The thing.
don't have confidence in this trade. Don't have confidence in this trade. Let the okay, there we go. Now we broke previous candle's high.
Trades are going through.
Well, I should have held, but that was a weekend. Coffee's in the way all the time.
I need to send a fuck you letter to Ninja Trader. What's going on, man? I went through all that mess and now I'm still fighting with it. Yep, my reload historical data is grayed out again. That seems to be the sign there.
I took a small long on the Ninja Trader on the Apex account. I will add to it if I can get a bullish bar in the 400 volume, which we just did. I hope we push higher. My average price is 62. 67, take half out. Small schlong. Yeah, it was a small schlong. Smallish long. That's it. That's how you say it. A small schlong.
I thought that's
60.
what you were saying.
We're at 70. I'll take the 10 points on that. Very good. New high water mark for the day on Apex. Oy, oy. Got another trade on. Wow, excellent price. Excellent price for the Renko trade. So I took that long at 68, targeting 75. Let's go. 65, 66, 67, 70, 72, 73, 75. There we go. Target hit. Happy with that. Boom, 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 boom. All the accounts are proper. Very good. Can I get back in again before it closes? 68, join bid. Come on, give me my data. Let me see. 72, 71. If I can get in at 64 again, I'll get in again. A small schlong. I think it's just called a schlong. Got to remember to keep an eye on gold also. Gold's doing pretty cool stuff. It's making nice little extensions on the runs. $70. What chip? How long is the schlong, and for how long is the schlong? 15 seconds. Well, my schlong is over. That's it. Second Renko candle. Printed. That's it. Good morning, Skeletor. Let's take a look, I guess, next for the 15-minute retest trade. How did the 2-minute opening range break work? I don't even, did we get one? I'm not sure. Maybe on this candle it closed above, but If it did, we got stopped out. Let me open it. I don't even know where the data window is on this. On the 1 minute settings. Status line. Open, high, low, close values. Okay. The high. 91.50. The close. Yeah. It got triggered in. Okay, cool. Didn't take it. For me, that's a hard trade to take, the 2 minute opening range, because those first 2 minutes usually have a very wide range. And then if you're going to wait for a 1 minute candle to close outside that range, you've now extended that range even more. Let's see if we can get a band bounce trade. Let's see if we can pull back down to 68. And get a bullish candle. We're at 73, another 5 points. Can we trade lower by another 5 points maybe? That would be a nice little retrace. ATR, 13 points. And previous day's close, 26,000, 26,004 really. So we're about 65 points away. If anybody wants to close that gap, they got to push it down by 65 points.
How many trades you take already?
I don't know. I don't count. Shit. Shit. They got me. They got me for 36 bucks on a 3 lot. That's not bad. 6 points. Took a band bounce trade off the 400 volume, but it didn't make it. Went under. It's a little sensitive, the 400. I should make it 600 volume. What is the volume today anyways? 335,000. That's not a lot of contracts, especially the market's been open 15 minutes and we're not even over 400,000 yet. We could be seeing a little bit of a move down now, guys. How many trades I take so far? Maybe 7 so far.
Mine aren't showing up. The only one that showed up is the one on an eval. I tried a 1 lot. That one showed up. So I don't know if it's going to take a trade or not take a trade, or if I get in a trade, am I going to be able to get out? I don't know.
Yes, if you look on the left charts, very much weaker than NQ. Yeah, that's not pleasant when you don't know if you can be able to get out of a trade. That's not a good feeling. We shouldn't have to deal with stuff like that.
No.
Ever.
Especially after everything I just went through because of this same issue.
Well, I think with NQ showing that it's so much stronger than ES, if I get a long on NQ, I'll take it, even though the markets are pumping lower right now on ES. What chip are you watching? The Dow? I don't have a Dow chart. I got to put the Dow chart back up. That one runs so smooth, so consistent. Wow, look at ES go, eh? Coming down to the 730 lows. Woo! You know what? I think every time we push and we make new all-time highs, you get people saying, and it gives people a reason to, push the markets lower a little bit. Not saying crash the markets, but
well, I'm in the trade. Now can I get out of the trade?
But certainly push it off the all-time high, because you can't be trading at all-time highs all the time. You can only hold it for a candle, 1 candle, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, and then they're going to push it lower. I got a long trade at 54. I'll take a one lot if I can get in at a better price. 53. I want 50. Nah, don't go without me. If you go without me, I'll take the next one, that's all.
I think I'm on the wrong side of the trade.
Oh, you had almost 10 points in there, no? 7 at least. Looked like it. From what it looked like you entered around 59, the way it seemed. Okay, that's it. That trade's over.
Yeah. Who knows? I'll let it do whatever it wants to do.
And where's the 1 minute chart?
As long as it gets me out the trade like it's supposed to.
Yeah, right now both charts, both short-term charts are showing bearish momentum. $43 points away from 26,000. We're going to push for that low.
Maybe.
I think we might, but we will have a little bit of potential resistance at 26 because that's previous day's high.
There we go. Well, am I out? Am I not out?
Boosh.
Got me out of most of the trade, but one contract didn't exit. What can you do?
After 10:30 sometime. It's only in beta. We have a sponsor today, actually. Believe it or not. Come on, get a push lower. Call in. You know you want to go lower, what's ES doing? It's giving some wicks. We're basing here. We're basing.
Free basing?
No, just basing. I got out. To hell with it. I don't like the way it's looking. Just wait this garbage out. Let the free basers base. Yep. This is some freaky action. This is freaky action at a distance. You're right. You're right. Let's just sit this out. I mean, it does look like it's going to go lower, especially with what ES is doing, but
At least your chart works.
yeah. Tighten up the 1 minute chart. This doesn't look like a good place to be selling right now when you tighten up the 1 minute chart like that. I'm lucky to have gotten out, in my opinion, without damage, because we could bounce over here, especially like I said, ES is strong, NQ is strong now. Guys, if you haven't had a chance yet, hit the like button. This is some hooker one night stand shit. Yeah, it really is. Give it to me, baby. Speaking about hookers, I got a story from last night.
What was his name?
So what am I waiting for? Well, we're coming up into the 026, previous day's high. Let's see if ES, bottom left chart, 5 minute, can make a new US session low. We did break, just to let you guys know, we closed below the 15-minute opening range on the 5 minute chart. That's at 41. Could be a retest over there. A bounce trade. If we can get back up to 41, sell it. Target 26. There we go. There we go. Not sure. I didn't take it yet. Do I want to take? You know what? I'll wait for a bearish candle.
Where we going?
I'm going to try for a retest trade here off the 15-minute range. But I didn't take it right as it touched. I'm waiting for a bearish candle on the 400 volume. Problem is I just got a bullish signal. I don't know if you heard it, so sounded like a hospital alarm. Wow, we got quite a bit of we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2,500, if that was right, 2,500 contracts traded there in a second. 5 candles printed instantly, and they were all to the downside. Are we really at 71? Oh my God. Wow, it's a good thing I didn't take that retest trade, eh?
What happened?
The retest of the 15-minute opening range low. That was at 41. I was waiting for an entry, waiting for a print of a bearish candle on the 400 volume, and we didn't get it. We went all the way up to 90, 50 points higher. That's it. That trade's invalidated. No, got saved the loser. Wow. That was an odd time. Look at the spike. Even in ES, compare the 2 5-minute charts. But ES is, again, much weaker than NQ. Yeah, that's it. ES is almost at the low again. Let's take a one lot. Just a one lot. Long at 58. I don't know where my stop is because I need to see a full candle below the 55 period moving average that I'm using. But shouldn't be more than 8 points. For a one lot, I'm up 16. I got in at 58. We're at 64. We get 10 points. 64, 63, 62, 61. Going the wrong way. 10 o'clock. Yeah, you know what? I'll take the 67. I'll take the 67. Good enough for me. Let 10 o'clock pass. Gold. I keep forgetting about gold. Anybody watching gold? And again, what chip are you watching? The Dow? I think it was Woodchip that was trading the Dow. I know Skeletor brought it up, but yesterday I think it was Woodchip. Where can I put up the Dow? Where do I have chart space? Omnius, you have chart space for me? You can put up the Dow?
I ain't got no space. Also, my chart works when it wants to.
I got a long at 68. I'm in at 65. It's targeting 75, 72, 73, 74. That's good enough for me. I took it. That was a quick trade.
And it was a quickie.
It was a quickie. If I can get in again at 64, I'll take it again because it hasn't triggered the second candle yet on the Renko. You guys can see there's a single Renko, single bullish Renko bar above the bands. 68. Ooh, that's a nice price right there. 65 again.
So you're looking to take another quickie?
I did. 65 targeting, where are we getting out? 64 at 54, so 10 points risk. I took about 9 on the other one. 7. There we go, 5, 6 points on that one. Very good. Another one. Keep racking them up. If I can get in at 64 again, I'll do it. Keep playing it as long as it's bouncing between 64 and 70. 65 on the bid. 64. Come on, fill me. Ah, back up to 70. It was 64 bid. I'll keep it in there. Maybe I'll lower it just a little bit. Ah, order filled. 64.50. Okay, now let's push back up to 70. 67, 65. Ah, wrong way. 63. Nah, I'm getting out. Not crazy about it. Getting out of break even. Scratch trade for me on that one. Not crazy about it. It's lost its enthusiasm to go higher. Doesn't mean it won't, but it's still a 73% chance we hit 75 before we hit 54. This is an excellent entry right here, but I just don't like it. I don't know. Actually, 400 volume says we're bullish. Vinzarenko says we're bullish. Those are the ultra short-term charts. But we'll see. I'm going to take one here. Jesus Christ, the stop is like 4 points over here. How can I not take it? Put my finger on the close button. Come on, push up. I should
After
put a
10?
stop.
All right.
There we go. There's my stop. $9.50. Yeah, that was a 1-to-1 trade, $9.50. I got 3 trades out of this one already. I got about 7, 8 points, 5 points, and I think 3 or 4 points.
I still can't trade. Yeah. Take a break. We'll be back.
Yeah. Zip fizz time.
Yeah, that I can't trade anyway, so I don't know. Figure it out.
Still didn't get up to 675. We're still working the 75-54 zone. Pretty much a 20-point range by the low end of the range. Don't have a lot of risk, so 54, you know, anywhere around even 60, 63 is a good entry for me. Try and get it again. Got a bullish signal before. I don't know if you remember, if you heard the alarm sound like a hospital. That was at 26,050. So we back. I hope I caught that. Missed it. What do you want, Sparky? You want cookies? You get one. So it looks like we did get up to, I'm short MES. We got up to 75. Target was hit. That was a good little sequence of trades. $69.11. I asked a couple of times, you're not, are you watching the Dow all the time, or it was just yesterday that you actually had it up? You know what? I think I can put it up over here. I'm going to sacrifice my 30-minute MNQ chart. I got the 5-minute up. I think that gives me a good enough picture. What was that? Oh, I was saying yesterday, it was you on the Dow. Are you watching it all the time, or it was just like a one of yesterday? The Dow. Yeah, the Dow. MYM. Weren't you trading it yesterday? Pretty sure it was you. Saying that you had a trade in the Dow. Could be wrong. Okay, well, I thought you were, like I said, could be wrong. You know my memory. No, Sparky, stay in your box. He's coming back with a snow. Sparky, in your box, you know you can't come on the table. Even if you bite me. Stop it. Okay. I don't know. I won't say it's an easy market to trade. There's no easy markets to trade. But it has good continuation moves. I'll put it at that. So when you enter, and if it starts to go in your favor, you can catch a nice slow move in that direction. Nice. It is nice. Switch to ES the same reason. Yeah, ES is also a little more stable, a little less spastic, not so much helter-skelter. But
I like the NQ better because it gives you that extra push that gets the trade to take profit.
Wow, look at the move on the MYM. Woo!
NQ, you just got to wear your seatbelt.
Yeah. What was that, the 30-minute on MYM that I had? Moving up steadily since 5 in the morning. What does it look like on the 1 minute? Let's get the 1 minute up.
I don't know, Butters. I don't think the AI bubble's ready to burst yet. Could, but I don't know. Watching a video yesterday, was talking about the Google quantum chip and some of the things that they're able to do with it now. And we're getting into some crazy stuff, man.
Hmm.
We might not even recognize the future. Serious, man.
Yes, I was thinking that also.
You're mixing AI language models like GPT with quantum computer chips from Google. They're saying that medicine that could take 15, 20 years to make now, in a year or two, might only take 6 months.
Hmm. Have you seen, even just with the videos, have you seen the deep fakes with Einstein and Stephen Hawking, and who else do they put in there?
Yeah.
Michael Jackson. They use the same people over at Michael Jackson. It's incredible.
I was watching one yesterday, and it was a lady talking, a doctor lady. She was talking about something in the middle of the video. Yeah, in the middle of the video, she says, "Oh, this is not really me. This is my AI clone."
Yeah.
Like, are you fucking shitting me? It wasn't even the lady, it was her AI clone. So we're to the point now where you're not even going to know if your YouTuber's a YouTuber.
Mm-hmm. So remember we had that poll, what's better, fake or real? We were only talking about tits. Soon it's going to be girlfriends. What's better, fake or real?
Mm-hmm.
In a couple of years. Hey, meet my
They've
sweetheart.
already got them. Yeah, your AI girlfriend. Yeah, they've already got that too.
No. I mean, I'm talking like a real fucking thing. You sit down at a restaurant, your friend shows up. Yeah, this is Caroline. Is she real or is she fake? Forget her boobs, the old girl. She's fake. Can I touch her?
They had a movie before, I forget the name of it, but they had surrogate bodies.
Yeah.
Long before we get those. Yeah, the kids are already getting smarter than the teachers with their phone. See videos now about kids correcting their teachers. They get on GPT, they're like, nope, teacher, you're wrong. This is how you do it.
Looks like we're trying to push higher. What do we got? I mean, if we're going to target something, we're going to target, I guess, those all-time highs, 26,093. approximately.
I was looking when I got up, and you see the trade on my chart, so it shows the entry, but it's not there. Like, watch, I'll take another one. See if it shows up. Damn delay. Yeah, I see it on my chart, but there's no trade. Yeah, you can see it there. Trade's there, but it's not there. It's like it won't connect to the server.
The reporting server. Yet it's like you said, trade's there. I got a long entry also at 75. If I can get in at 71, that's good. It's 4 points better. Anytime I can get 4 points better, I'll take it.
My reload historical data is grayed out again. When I first got on this morning, remember I was telling you that I had an issue with NinjaTrader? See what happens. My data was, the candles are gone again.
Yeah. I'm not crazy about this trade. We stopped. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see on the Renko chart. We stopped at 75 4 times. Not a good sign for this trade. Maybe I should just cut it here and that's it. I don't like the fact that we stopped at 75 4 times. Let me open that up for you. You can see the 75 once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Get a little
Looks
bit
good though. Looks good having the trades on the chart. I think people have been asking about that.
Yeah. I've been asking about that.
It's just hard the way it captures the application. It's just hard to, it's so unstable. Like it works when it wants to work.
Mm.
This is meaningless.
Okay. 75 held for the 4th time.
Oh, look. My trade's going against me. Oh, no. What do? I don't give a fuck. I won't even go to the server. There's no trade.
So your balance doesn't get affected?
No, it's not on the, what do you call this screen again?
The account
Control
panel or whatever?
Yeah, it's not on the control panel. It's not on the accounts.
Okay, that was cool. Dealer draw 7. That was a losing trade, and I stayed out of it. Butterstance draws 32.
Dear NinjaTrader, fix your shit, man. What the fuck? Gave me some weird error this morning. I didn't know what it was, so I clicked out of it. Wish I'd have took a picture of it.
Well, looks like we might be heading lower now again. Wow. But we are trading in a bit of a range here between 77 and 56, 20-point range since 10 o'clock, 9:56. 20 minutes now. 20 points, 20 minutes. We can move up to 70, 67, 70. Then I get a bearish candle. I'll take that trade. I'll go short. But I'm going to demand my 67, 70 retrace first.
Irony is I got a email from NinjaTrader yesterday. How satisfied are you with your recent interaction with NinjaTrader's client service team? No, I'm not satisfied at all, my friend. No.
Yeah, I get that from Google and YouTube. It's the first time ever I hit the The extreme right unhappy face emoji. Extremely dissatisfied.
In your own words, why do you feel very dissatisfied? What? Hold on. They tried to mark the dissatisfied as satisfied. Oh, that was dirty. I caught you.
Okay, I took a short trade at 64. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's true. I didn't go change the Nightbot messages. We've been running on the same Nightbot messages for a long time. 64. Do I want to try for 10 points on this? My brain is tired already. Kind of preoccupied with something else, so. Short at 64. Let's get down at least to 58. Anyways, we'll sit back, we'll watch. I took this trade off the 400 volume Heiken SE. There's 58. Gone back up. ES is kind of consolidating. I got out 6-7 points, good enough. Futures floor, that's my name, don't wear it out. Why did I type that? I have no idea. Some questions I can't answer. Gold, I didn't take any trades in gold today. That was also trading sideways. You know what? I'm not in the mood for a 1 minute chart on Dow. I'm going to watch it. Let's put up let's put up a Renko chart. No bands, seriously? Fractals I don't need. Indicators. 1, 2, 30. Low. Okay. What's a good size? 7. That's $3.50. $7 risk. Seems quiet the Dow lately, though, or in the past couple of days. I think I can lower it to 5. Talking to myself here. I'm thinking out loud. Yeah, 5 looks good. 5 looks good for a little longer trades. Catch and move above. Okay, we move back up to where I shorted the last time. We're going to do the same kind of pattern. Do I try and take another short? If I get a bearish candle, I'll let you know. If we get the bearish candle, 400 volume chart, bullish, bullish, and we're almost going to negate the bearish trade very soon. But we might be getting oh, that was a big push lower. Okay, I took a 1 lot at 58. Not crazy about the entry. I should have tried for a better price at 62. That was a relatively large candle based on the chart that I'm looking at. I'll take 5 points right there. Thank you very much. Omnius, are you sitting there and saying to yourself, this guy won't shut up?
Yeah.
Okay, just confirming. That means I'm doing my job.
I'm right, Ninja Trader. Why are you very dissatisfied?
Hmm.
I put, for weeks now, I've been fighting with Ninja Trader. It's just caused me great stress and anxiety. It's caused my computer to crash, having to fight to fix my computer, have uninstalled and reinstalled Ninja Trader many, many, many times. Spent hours and days fighting with issues and issues caused by this issue. What the fuck is your problem? How's that sound?
Did you finish with that?
Sounds like a good ending to me.
It does, it does. I need you to be my spokesman with YouTube.
I'll leave the fuck out. I'll just put, what is the problem?
Better.
You guys are in the right place at the right time because this week's live stream and Prop Drop 500 beta is proudly sponsored by Skeletor's Chocolate Salty Balls, the official snack of blown accounts everywhere. These chocolate salty balls are hand-rolled, high-risk snacks for traders who like it dark. Dipped in premium cocoa and perfectly seasoned with the
Yeah,
salt
we're
of your
playing Prop
tears,
Drop.
Skeletor's
Hold on,
chocolate
give me a
salty
second.
balls are best enjoyed after you get stopped out. So pop one in your mouth and remember, the market may take your money, but it can't take your balls.
Keep the
on.
names from last time since it's still beta.
I'm going to put sincerely,
Sincerely.
sincerely, WTF.
Wait, I might have a short. Let me just take another one here. Let's see if we get a bearish candle again on the 400 volume. We're close to it. Nope, that was a bullish candle. I hope it's not one that's relatively large compared to...
All right.
Give me a sec. Just took a quick short trade at 55. Let's see if we can get a push down to 50.
Everybody still there?
$52, $51. Okay, we'll take 51. There we go.
Wait a second. I paused my trade to see your game. You're not even playing it?
We'll play it. That's a new game.
It was a joke. I can't trade.
I don't remember. Let's see. Let's just take a little break here and wait till we get two winners. I made the names bigger now. It's easy to see.
Did you show Skeletor the...
I played
video?
it. I don't know if he's there. He'll see it one day. Futures. I'm the only one down there at the bottom.
It's rigged.
You'll all catch up.
You made the names bigger?
I did. Omnius, you're Omnius and futures. Stop that.
What? Oh, it's rigged. There's Butters.
I'm trying to hit take profit, but I keep hitting the I keep wicking it.
Joker stopped out. You playing with your balls?
I am.
This guy. He's playing with his chocolate salty balls.
There we go. Joker's gonna take it. Joker's got it.
Ah, it's rigged.
It's rigged.
Good job, Joker.
Guys, let's give it up for our lucky winner
Even
of
if it is
today's
rigged.
Prop Drop 500 beta. And to the rest of you sore losers, better luck next drop. Today's chaos was proudly brought
Like
to
how your
you by
chocolate salty balls
Skeletor's
look all
Chocolate
Christmassy.
Salty Balls. Fun, the only snack that pairs perfectly with blown accounts and broken dreams. And remember, tomorrow's madness starts sometime after 10:30 a.m.
Joker
Don't
wants
miss
nobody
it.
won.
You won the beta.
3 chocolate salty balls.
Skeletor is going to send you a box of chocolate salty balls. 10:30 initial balance. Well, we haven't started the giveaway yet. We're just testing the software. Next week, hopefully. Still in beta. It's a scam. Everything's a scam. Wow, look at the Dow go. What day is it today? Tuesday. Yeah. Yeah, during the week you win the entry into the final for Friday. That's how I think it's going to work. We'll run it twice a day. Once on my channel, once on Omnius' channel. By Friday we'll have 10 entries, and then we'll play the dual board game for an account. But we just got to get some accounts set up. Get some codes for some accounts. See which firm we work with. And I'm getting another...
To be fair, Joker's got like 100 accounts. Maybe he could give one away.
Joker give an account giveaway code.
I was just joking.
This week it should be sponsored by Chocolate Salty Balls Corporation, so...
Where's the dual board at? You gonna play that one?
No, it's still being fixed up and stuff, so it's under construction.
The game's under construction.
Yeah. Well, it's hard not to take another trade here again short. That's funny because I'm doing well on the shorts, and look at ES, it's climbing. Well, I'll take one more. If I get a bearish candle here, I'll try it again. Got my bearish candle. Offering at 44, I didn't get filled. It's too bad. We were there. I would have had 5 points already. 5 points is even not bad on a scalp. Okay, I got to cancel it. There we go. There's 10 points. Once we get 10 points under my attempted entry, I'm not going to be hanging around. That was a nice entry. So those trades that I saw in your chart, Omnius, what does that mean? I mean, if we saw them, how could they not be being reflected on your balance? I've never heard that before.
This is a very good question, eh? Apparently, nobody knows the answer.
I
don't know. It's the same thing with the.
You sure you're not in simulation mode or something? I mean, I'd really be surprised if you were, but.
I don't know. The simulation might actually work. I think I still got the simulation from the competition. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
But
yeah, I still have that also.
Yeah, I tried to show it on the stream so I could show it to you, but the pop-ups won't show up. Maybe. Yeah, if you right-click on the chart where it says reload historical data, mine's grayed out again. So can't reload the data. Looks like it's pulling in data, which is weird. But then won't take any trades or anything. I have a feeling if I disconnect and reconnect, it won't reconnect. Probably have to shut down NinjaTrader. Maybe I'll try that again. I done did it once.
Breaking lower. Once again, now we're at VWAP and previous day's close. Bouncing off the 26,025 level. So it's funny, ES was showing such weakness. I got a trade in gold, potentially. I hesitated, I didn't take it. It's too bad. I would have had $2 already. Oh well, c'est la vie. You guys see the gold chart? No, you don't, eh? You don't see the gold, you don't see the MYM.
Yes, yeah. Reload NinjaTrader, and now it goes to so this is this is 10:35, right?
Mm.
Your time right now says 10:35.
Yep.
The candle before that says 8:40.
Wow. So you're missing all that data.
And I'm pretty sure that's 8:40 from yesterday. No, that's today. So yeah, I'm missing from 8:40, 10:35. Pretty sure I still wouldn't be able to take a trade.
That was a strong push off 26 again. Third, fourth time.
So again, I can take the trade. It's on the chart, but it's not there. Oh, crazy stuff, man.
Hmm.
Reload historical data, still grayed out. Then if I disconnect and reconnect, none of my accounts are there.
Not an easy day for trading today, though. I gotta tell you. I don't know how other people are doing, but we're really stuck in a range. Talking about a 70-point day today. That's crazy so far.
Now, see, here's where it gets tricky. If I disconnect my Bulenox connection and connect that simulation connection,
Mm-hmm.
it gives me back the data. Hey, can I take a trade in this mode? Yeah. Weird. Then if I connect Bulenox back, it still won't give me my accounts.
Oh, shit.
What's going on there?
I don't know about you guys. I'm kind of feeling bearish. I'm kind of feeling like we're going to break lower. That's just the feeling I got. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but...
So it's almost like it's something to do with my Bulenox connection.
It really does seem like that, I gotta say.
But then I didn't have any problems when I had Bulenox on the laptop. So it's weird. I don't know.
15 seconds. Are we going to get a close below initial balance on the 5-minute? And we're so close. Are we also going to get a close on the 5? No, we didn't get a close below the previous day's high, but we did get a close below the initial balance on the 5-minute chart.
Hey, you want to take a look at your Bulenox connection real quick? Just tell me what you got set up.
I'm on it. All my Bulenox now is Project X. I don't have Bulenox with Ninja anymore. He's done.
You ain't got Ninja Trader at all?
I have Ninja Trader on Apex on my laptop. It's working. It's working perfect.
I mean, I got the same settings I've always had. It's connect on startup, Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago.
That's
well, I've always heard to set it up. Huh?
That's what it should be. If it was Tradeovate, you would choose Ninja Trader. But it's with Rhythmic on Bulenox, so yeah, it's Rhythmic Paper Trading Chicago.
There is a Chicago aggregated data. I don't know what that is. Bama, good morning.
Good morning, Bama.
My Ninja Trader was working. Now I don't want to work again.
We'll be running the beta of the Prop Drop 500 one more time after 11 o'clock. Yesterday, Skeletor was the winner both times, actually. And today it was Joker. So far.
So far.
So far.
You only ran it once today, didn't you?
Yeah.
Bama, how's your day been going?
Okay, well, we traded a little bit below VWAP. Did get 2 consecutive candle closes, full candle below. So right now, I'm running on the assumption that we're going to hold under VWAP.
Holding under VWAP?
That's the assumption.
I still got current data.
Hey, you know what? I put up
43.
cumulative delta somewhere. I don't remember where it is. I guess obviously it had to be on Ninja Trader somewhere, but no, I don't have Ninja Trader on my on my main computer, so I guess I don't get to see it. I'll have to import it and bring it into the laptop. I saw a video the other.
I like the Ninja Trader chart showing, but they're so buggy. I mean, they just 1 second it'll work, and the next second it won't.
Saw a video yesterday on if you trade not to lose, you lose. And it's crazy how true that is. It really is. It's a hard concept to explain, though. Hey, relax there, Sparky. I'm getting a little too excited. Okay, my hand's not a meal.
Well, it kind of makes sense when you think about it, because you're so focused on not losing. And that's what you're putting all your energy into.
Yeah, looking at losses.
I mean, it's like you're trying to win something, and you're sitting there like holding your hands, praying, please lose, please lose, please lose. I mean,
it's like you're manifesting it.
Right, manifest destiny. If you want to win, you got to be focused on winning. Don't hear Omnius. Why not? Oh, they got me muted. That's one of those days, isn't it? Bama, good morning. Thanks for letting me know. Apparently I was muted also.
Oh, that's strange. I got you in my ear here. Oh, yeah, no, I'm hearing you off Discord.
Now, Bam, I've been having problems with just about every piece of software. My Ninja Trader won't take trades again. Went through so much trouble to get it back up, back running. Worked good for, a couple days. Now it's having issues again. Really don't feel like deleting it again and reinstall and all that. I could, but
26,008. We got pretty close to the previous day's close. Pushed back up just about to I can't say VWAP. VWAP is at 24. We got up to about 22.
yeah, I'm on the same computer, Bam. I'm back on my desktop.
See if we can get a bearish candle here.
I completely deleted Ninja Trader many times. Reinstalled it. Everything was working good till this morning.
No, got to get out.
I have to set up a meeting with Ninja Trader support. Sent me an email before saying that they wanted to do a meeting, but I thought I had everything fixed. So I was like, well, I don't feel like doing it if everything's working. How long I was muted for?
Hmm. On your channel, I guess, right? I think.
Yeah, I guess. I gotta put those audio visualizer thing back on.
Yeah, you're on my channel. You're working, so it's working, baby.
Bama, how's your day been going? Any good trades? And have you seen Mike's new marble game?
Oh, you almost had me singing a song there. Have you seen Mike's Marbles? Let's get out. Where the fuck? There you go. Well, let's get up to 50. It's not too much to
I haven't
ask.
traded in nearly 2 weeks. Every time I open my charts, close them. I don't like them. Well, at least your chart's open. Gotta look at the bright side somewhere, right?
Silver lining, yeah.
Been fighting nonstop for what, week and a half, 2 weeks now over this computer and Ninja Trader stuff. Yeah, we are in the tough conditions. It's all-time high.
Yeah.
Everything's super overextended. And we can even see here, what was this, Friday, and we just get this huge gap and just go. No pullbacks on the hourly chart. No nothing, just huge gap and run. I think maybe the best thing to do is look for your best trade of the day and don't take anything else.
How is it possible you drop something 2 feet off the floor and it just disappears? Like it got sucked up by some alternate universe. Lost one of my balls. Sparky. Sparky, you're funny. I'll be back in a minute.
Need pullbacks to trade. Gonna need more than this. Yeah. I was really hoping the whole stock market would pull back this month because I wanted to buy into a bunch of stocks and ride them up next month. But I never got a pullback. So bought a little bit, but I'm not going to buy a whole lot with the market up like this. You go to the daily, it just looks crazy. To the moon. Which is fine. I got plenty of positions. Just took profit on a lot and wanted to buy into more. We might see it keep running. Back to the daily. We got the November's generally a strong month. Come over here. QQQ. You can see on this chart, 10-day chart. I like the 10-day. See it's breaking out of a range, pushing up to the moon. If we bring up the seasonal chart, which is still kind of new and experimental. Go back. We got 10 out of the last 11 Novembers was green. Oh, nicely green. The one that was red wasn't even red. It was like 0.2, negative 0.2.
It's going to be an interesting challenge to try and be green for November after we're pushing new highs like this.
Maybe.
They're going to trade up to 30,000, 28,000.
Well, you got Trump saying now that they're trying to do this trade deal with China.
Oh, yeah, November 1st.
And then they're cutting interest rates supposedly, I think, tomorrow, right? I think FOMC is tomorrow.
Wednesday. Yeah.
Yeah, FOMC tomorrow. So, gotta be careful tomorrow. Supposedly they're going to cut interest rates. So that's going to be a driver on the market also. So we got some news catalysts coming up, push the market. Like I said, 10 out of the last 11 Novembers was green. And even the red one wasn't red. It's negative 0.2. So far this year, we're up 23% on the QQQ. I think it's the same on the Nasdaq. Look at these numbers we've had, though. 2023, up 53%. 2024, up 24%. 2025, already at 23%. I was looking, I think, yesterday, and this move right here from, what is this, April of this year to now, the market's up 56%.
Crazy.
That's 57%. That's freaking crazy.
Yeah. Anybody have a good read on the markets right now? I don't. I don't. We bounced off previous day's high a couple of times, and we just bounced off. We got a little bit lower. We wicked it, bounced off previous day's close just about. I mean, got front run a little bit, but
let me jump in real quick. 6 months. 6 months, we've gone up 57%. That's crazy. Okay.
That's it. I'm just saying VWAP doesn't seem to be significant right now. It's just those two levels that are hemming price in, holding price.
See if I restart my Ninja Trader again. Mike, how's your trading day going? Yeah. I mean, if you didn't hear me, you wouldn't have responded.
That is true, right? I don't know. I guess good. I mean, I'm up 35 measly dollars in Bulenox, but that's on a bunch of accounts. So, it adds up. 77 on one apex and minus 12 on another apex. And that's it. Tomorrow I'm going to trade my daytraders.com account.
Oh, yeah, I forgot that you got that.
Yeah, I got it up to, I don't know, 500, 700. I think. I don't remember. It's been a while. I haven't opened it. But I'm going to open that up tomorrow for the opening. I got a short trade here at 33. Not crazy about it again. See, I'm just not crazy about anything now because now 33, but we got previous day's high at 26, which acted as resistance when price was above it. So
Can I take a paper trade on Trade View?
yeah, you know what? Good idea. Oh, shit. Yeah.
What do I got to do the trade around here?
That's what I'm going to do. That'll keep me a little bit busy. Okay, there we go. Took a short at 34. That's 1 point better. Actual entries at 33.
Really don't want to have to delete NinjaTrader again and have to reset up all my shit again.
Yeah, I'm feeling your frustration. I already want to throw my monitor at the wall.
And then even if I do it, is it just going to mess up again? Because everything is new. It's all it's all fresh in style.
$42, $33, $37, $47 is the stop out on this trade. I was wise not to take it, it looks like. Maybe. Who knows yet?
Nope, still can't reload historical data. That means there's still an issue. What if I go Ninja Script? Indicators. Pick a random one. How about a ADX?
33. Can we get down to 33?
And hit compile. Don't
Go
do
up to
stupid
47.
shit. Don't do stupid shit. Don't do stupid shit. Yeah, it compiled. There shouldn't be none of the indicators. I don't know. Can I take a trade? Pick a direction, long or short?
Long.
Long?
I think that's almost a no-brainer right now.
Well, turns out it don't matter anyways. How about this one? Can we take a paper trade? Give me something. At least make me feel like I'm trading. That's terrible, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. It's very, very quiet. Very quiet. No volume. We got 565,000 on the volume. Good morning, JC. No range for the day, like 90 points so far for the whole US trading session. Impossible to do anything with this.
Impossible.
Impossible. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, JC. Okay, well, JC is here. So we're going to do what we did before.
Good morning, JC.
Got your sound on, Mr. Omnius?
Hope your Florida trip was nice. No, give me a second.
Hang on a minute, JC, if you can. Jocelyn. Go say your name. Omnius? Saint.
Say my name or say her name?
Her name, Saint.
No, I told you in Spanish they don't pronounce the J's. It's an H.
Okay, you ready? Can I go?
Saint.
Hacienda. We're going.
Senorita.
You got your volume on? We'll play
No,
one
I'm trying.
game.
You're talking to me. You're distracting me.
All right, she said it works. Got to go. I wanted to see.
All right, play it. I'll be there in a
You
second.
guys are in the right place at the right time because this
All right,
week's
there.
live stream and Prop Drop 500 Beta is proudly sponsored by Skeletor's Chocolate Salty Balls, the official snack of blown accounts everywhere. These chocolate salty balls are hand-rolled, high-risk snacks for traders who like it dark. Dipped in premium cocoa and perfectly seasoned with the salt of your tears, Skeletor's chocolate salty balls are best enjoyed after you get stopped out. So pop one in your mouth and remember, the market may take your money, but it can't take your balls.
Okay, we'll play one more game. And see who wins tonight. Now, got 4 traders stuck on support. Skeletor makes it down to the bottom. Go.
Did you put JC in there?
Nah. JC doesn't get a ball. Future, Skeletor, and Butters near the bottom. Skeletor. Isn't Skeletor? There we go. Skeletor was the one who won twice yesterday, no?
Yep.
There we go. Butters takes it. Butters takes round 2. We should mark it, you know. I'm going to keep track of it. Okay. That's it. That's the 2 rounds.
Guys, let's give it up for our lucky winner of today's Prop Drop 500 Beta. And to the rest of you sore losers, better luck next drop. Today's chaos was proudly brought to you by Skeletor's Chocolate Salty Balls.fun, the only snack that pairs perfectly with blown accounts and broken dreams. And remember, tomorrow's madness starts sometime after 10:30 a.m. Don't miss it.
Right?
What'd you say?
The more reactions you hit on the stream, the better your chances of winning are. That's what I heard.
There you go. Well, so I should have put JC in it. JC, show up tomorrow after 10:30, you'll get a ball. So that was who? That was Joker and Butters, right?
Yeah.
Joker, Butters. Okay, at least we're not winning. So no one can claim rigged. Skeletor.
I'm claiming it's rigged.
Skeletor times 2.
Definitely rigged.
Yeah, well, I gotta tell you, it's easy to rig, but it's not rigged. But it is easy to rig.
That's what they would all say.
Yeah, you're right.
It's like Nancy Pelosi saying our elections are not rigged. But they're easy to rig, but they're not rigged.
Okay, close.
Hey, did you read the text on my chart on the stream?
No, it's on my phone. It's too hard to see.
It's supposed to be that way. Might have to bring it up on the computer. This guy's got 10 screens, a big screen. He brings up stream on his phone. It's hard to read. It's supposed to be hard to read. I didn't look at it on my phone.
You're talking,
It's on the chart.
yeah. I don't know. I do that thing with the fingers, you know, but it doesn't expand. Oh, there we go. Fantastic. Drain
If I can read it.
Dominic Schorzer?
What? The white text on the chart.
Yeah, fantastic. Dominic Scharzer.
The fuck are you talking about? Sir, what have you
On
taken?
your stream. On your stream or my stream?
My stream.
Yeah, fantastic, right? On the left in the middle?
Talking about the song?
Oh,
At the bottom. At the bottom of the chart.
I don't know. I'm looking at that. You didn't tell me. You weren't specific. Chocolate salty balls. Yep. Okay. If you can read this, you're not trading. That's funny. If you're not trading, what are you doing? Why are you not trading? Funny guy. Oh, okay. Chocolate salty balls. Eating chocolate salty balls. That is funny. Hey, so you got two tickers. You got one at the bottom of your chart. I like that. You make your chart a little bit darker on the black on the bottom, and you can throw a ticker. Oh, you got three tickers. You got Bulenox on the bottom, then you got the live MF market open, trade live with us, code Omnius, and yeah, I like that. Cool. Always one-upping me.
I think I might pull the chart down a little. Huh. Not one-upping anybody.
You still take what I say seriously?
I don't even know who you are.
I don't know who you are anymore.
Guess I'm just somebody that you used to know.
Yeah, that's it. ATR sucks. I don't know what to say. Oops,
I'm not back in 2 minutes. You know what to do.
I know what to do. 8. The ATR is 8 on the 1 minute chart. You don't know what the ATR is? It's the average true range. It's the average range of the candles on the 1 minute chart. That means from the high to the low, the average right now is 8 points. That's not good. Just to let you know. 7 is pretty much my cutoff. Anything under 7, and it's kind of like alarms. Actually, anything under 7, I have a rule not to trade. Anything under 10 means trade very cautiously. Wait for really good setups. Mm-hmm. Coming back down to previous day's high, 26,026. I should mark it off on the chart. We did bounce off it a couple of times already. Let's put an info line. What's an info line? Anybody ever put in an info line? That's an info line? Well, I don't need that kind of info. I don't need to know how many pixels a line is. Let's just put in a horizontal line at 26. Right there. Actually, you know what? Even though that's where the previous day's high is, this looks like 30 is more relevant. I'll keep it at 30. Yeah, 28.50. How about that? In between 26 and 30, 28. We're holding above it. So the previous day's high is still holding price above. Actually, if you look at the 5-minute chart, we really didn't get below the previous day's high for too long. We closed below it for on one candle, and we got 2 wicks and closed above it on the next candle. So on the 5-minute, we didn't get below the previous day's high. I would call that being held. I mean, if you look, let me put the put a line up over here. It's at 26. Open it up. There, this is the US session. That's the previous day's high. I should make it green. On the 5-minute, that's the top left. Let's make it green.
What are you looking at?
And dashed. The previous day's high, 26,026 on the 5-minute chart. How it's holding price above since 9 in the morning. We rocketed through it. Coin flip, 11:15. We rocketed through it, and I was saying that on the 5-minute, you really can't consider that we've even gotten below it. We had 2 pokes through it, but they were wicks, and it pushed price back above. So it is holding price up. $400 volume chart is showing weakness.
Yeah, I see weakness. But the 15 minutes to bullish.
Yeah, but look at ES. It's really not doing anything. And yeah, I mean, I'm going to take a trade here at 37 when 26 is holding so strong. And if I lose, I'll regret it and say, what did you do?
Yeah, you can't live in regret like that.
No, you can't. Where's my coffee? Oh, I finished it? Holy shit.
Wasn't my job to get the coffee. Get your own coffee.
That was fast. That was a Tim Hortons, so. Don't really see anything I can take. Maybe a gold. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. And when I don't know. I think I'll stay away. You know what? Shit, I missed my entry. I wanted to take a short. I'm still going to chase a little bit. I hope I don't regret it. I was supposed to get shorted around 45. I'm short at 42, so if you want to play the jackass, I deserve it.
What are you regretting?
Not regretting, but I wanted to take a short at 45, but by the time I set up my size properly, it was at 42. I still entered.
Yeah, what can you do?
That was a nice little push lower.
Instead of playing the donkey, I'll play the smash that like button instead.
Yeah. Yeah, it was a nice push lower, but then shot higher. Okay. It took me out. Yeah, you see, proper entry would have been a winning trade. Poor entry, it ended up being a losing trade. Ew. I did the jackass for you.
Try it out anyways. See how it works on this chart.
Or for me. Well, gold made a nice little run there. In the last push.
Yeah, it works pretty good.
Hmm.
Matched up pretty good. How about the candle of doom? Ow. Was kind of loud. Doom candle.
How did you set up the swipe in? You didn't. Usually I have to load it. It goes full screen. I load it. I set the swipe, and then the second time I run it, it works. Yours looks like it worked first time right off the bat.
What do you mean? You do the
sizing. How do you get the sizing properly? Mine goes full screen. Takes over the chart. I guess maybe that's a prism feature. It remembers. Mine have no memory. They constantly need resetting.
But because I'm Batman.
Hmm.
Yeah.
That sucks, man. Anyways, it is what it is. They got me.
Yeah, they all work out pretty good with this layout.
Most importantly is I'm green on Bulenox, even though it's small.
I got my smash the like button.
I don't even know what my balances are at. Let me go check.
Then I got my open screen. Yeah, I like the open screen. What else I got? That's all the toys I got? Oh, any more toys? You got all that cool stuff. I got nothing.
I want to create an opening. Gotta work on that. You know, when first 5 minutes before the stream starts, that kind of thing, instead of a song. What are you doing? Huh? I should have a cat cam. Bet people would come to see that, eh?
Try to get more likes.
Hey, you got 9. I got 5.
I see 8.
You're good. Now it's time to. You think you can walk on my desk? I don't think so.
No, I'm not gonna walk on your desk.
You're a good boy, eh? But you can't go on the desk. No, this is as far as you can go. This is the border. No, 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 no. This is the border. Border is closed. You are not allowed. No, don't sit on my phone either. Come on, now go down. Come on, go down. Go down. I'll give you a cookie. Go. Let's go. There you go. Good boy. Let's give you some snacks. What do we got? No, we don't have a short trade in NQ. We have a long. There you go. See if we can get a little push up. I don't think it's worth continuing to try and trade.
Can't trade.
Yeah, I don't think it's worth continuing to try and trade.
They won't let me.
It's quiet. ATR is fucking in the toilet. Volume is in the toilet.
Okay.
Volume 600,000. That's fucking sad. Seriously.
ATR 11.
Yeah, no, not me. I have it at under 8.
I think when Ninja Trader wanted to set up a meeting, they want me to like download some program. I don't know.
Wow, look at the pattern on the 5-minute chart.
I think they want me to download a program so they can take over my computer.
I have no problem with that.
You ain't got no problem with anything. Take my computer, take my picture, scan my biometrics.
Yeah, I was going to say, as long as it's your computer, I don't have a problem. No, honestly, I don't have a problem. You can trust Ninja Trader.
You're that guy in the Matrix saying, let me back in, let me back in.
Oh, I got a call. I got a call. Give me a sec.
Tell him I said hi.
He's back.
What happened? Where'd he go?
Fuck off.
So vulgar.
That's interesting. I'm gonna put 11:30, the wood chip big move. Perfect. Omnius's invoice. Oh, your collaboration thing wasn't working. But go into Discord, click on what I sent you, and look at the chat. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. I'm curious. We should try that maybe.
You didn't send me anything. Wait, there it is.
In Discord. Well, on 5 minute, we're just...
What am I looking for?
Look how he... look at the chat. All the yellow. I think it shows up yellow on mine.
Yeah,
Go
yeah.
up. Go up.
Yeah, went
That's
up.
an idea.
I'm assuming that he don't have voice.
Hmm. I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, he don't have voice. He's got a news squawk going. But yeah. Yep.
Make my own squawk. I'm squawking. Let's put 3 in the morning over here. And 3 in the morning over here. Yeah.
Okay. Now what was I doing?
The fuck?
You all right over there?
Huh? Yeah, I'm kind of over there, you know? Did you see? 1 minute signal fired, 1 minute signal hit. Like, that was like a point.
What was it?
People actually take profit on a point? A point of profit?
Oh, on that one?
Seriously? Yeah.
What about that one guy? I mean, he don't use the stop loss and takes like a 2-point trade.
People are saying nice. Nice, you got a point. Okay.
He's like, I got 300 winning trades, 1 point each. one contract. That works for him, doesn't it? Whatever works.
Yep. Let's see if we bounce here off.
Can I trade
we
now?
broke. We broke. We broke.
No. Still can't trade.
Yeah, be quiet. Wow. We broke and pushed right back up again.
Still can't trade, guys.
Well, you want to call it? What?
Sure, why not? Try reset. Oh.
I'll go
Reset
spend
my
some time with my
computer.
daughter, see how she's doing. Wow, look at that. Move down, move lower. Here you go, Sparks. Enjoy. Life is short. Enjoy your salmon bites. Okay.
Ain't ate nothing in about a day and a half.
I'll close up.
Then I tell my wife yesterday was at the soccer game. Like, yeah, I ain't eating nothing all day. I was like, I don't know. I might just go a few days without eating. And so we leave the soccer game. She goes by McDonald's.
Okay.
Gets a bunch of hamburgers and French fries. Every time, right?
Yeah.
It's like, oh, I'm gonna go on a diet. She goes out and buys a bunch of fat stuff, or
It's okay.
I'm
It's a
gonna do
rubber
this.
burger. Rubber burger.
I mean, even the
No.
rubber burgers smell good when you haven't eaten for a day.
Yeah.
Mainly it's the French fries.
No eating rubber burgers. They have good fries. Wow. Crazy push. I got right back down to the 1045 low.
A lot of wicks today, huh?
Yeah. It's a shitty day to trade.
Huh.
Yep.
How did my volume
Good.
chart
Good
do?
job.
What we got? 9:30 open.
Come on my stream. Give me some commentary. Yeah, commentary. Call out the charts. Call out what you see. Yeah.
So
Yeah, I got that too. It's tough. It's tough. It's tough. Really, really tight range today. Looking at just in the U.S. session. 93 less, 85 points. That's crazy. I like this. Keeps me busy.
Yeah. What's the ghost?
I don't know. But you know what? I don't know. I don't know what that was. I don't know how that came up.
Thought it was my screen. I was like, not again.
Yeah, no.
Look like Trading View. I didn't know you had Trading View. Or was
Tory
that the...
Trades exposed. The internet's boogeyman. Why is she exposed? 2 days ago. I'll watch that.
That's why. I just saw it. I just saw it right there. That's why. You see it?
No, what?
Exactly.
Whose screen am I supposed to be looking at first? Yours or mine?
You. You're like Tory Trades exposed. Oh, I want to watch that. Oh, I'm gonna watch that.
Yeah, I want to watch that. I'm going. Goodbye.
all it took was a headline. See?
Well, I think when they say exposed, they don't mean what we're thinking.
Maybe I'll put that in my title for tomorrow. Tory Trades exposed. Who was she with this time?
Everyone's flaming everyone else.
She has been getting a lot of hate lately, though.
Yeah.
Her and Tanya, when she lost that competition a week ago. See how much hate she got?
No. It's so stupid. It's so irrelevant. It's just one day's trading. If you weren't able to perform on one day, seriously?
It was one trade. She lost one trade and got so much freaking hate.
Yeah.
And then she was scheduled to be off for a few hours, and everyone's like, oh, she's scared to come back and show her face. People just love to hate people.
Sent us a Snapchat in our group chat. He wrote, clock in at 9, shit till 9:30. Okay? Clock in at 9, shit. He didn't realize he has a hole in his underwear. Where his ass is.
That's nauseating.
So?
Oh my
nauseating.
God. Someone wrote, do you know how long you have to itch your asshole
to get a hole that big?
to form a hole over time?
Yeah.
Does he come up and tell you random facts and stuff like my son does?
Yeah, that was a random fact. Definitely. He's showing me stuff about his friends. I'm in a bad mood. Yeah, me too, I think. There's only one thing. Oh my God, you put me in the mood for McDonald's.
Who?
You're terrible. You did it on purpose.
Ever say I put you in the mood for McDonald's? Damn rubber burgers.
You did it on purpose too. You did suggestive selling.
Did you ever look at the
You talked about the burgers, the fries, the smell. You put everything in my brain.
Horrible.
Horrible. That's not what you were saying. You were saying it's fantastic when you're hungry. I'm hungry.
Yeah, when you haven't eaten for a day. Stream key generated. Did your YouTube ever set up to where you could do vertical, horizontal, and vertical?
I never looked into it.
It shows it's live in vertical now. So like, how do I find that?
I never looked into it. I gotta do OBS. Yeah, it's
I don't know if you have to.
You gotta work with the stream keys.
But it only gives me one stream key.
I have to Google it.
Yeah.
Oh, my cat's gone.
Do I get out of here?
Yeah, let's get going. Where's my close scenes? There we go. Okay, guys, thanks for hanging out. Tomorrow, hopefully, 10:30. Well, I'll be streaming 9:15 or earlier, and we'll run the marble game again tomorrow. The beta, testing the software, 10:30 or after. We'll run it 2 more times. Today's winners were Joker and Butter. Yesterday, Skeletor won twice. Interesting. And that's it for me. Hopefully, Omnius will get his computer back up and running and his Ninja back up and running. Keep our fingers crossed for that.
Strong, foul words they would like to tell Ninja Trader, now might be your opportunity.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Appreciate everyone hanging out. See you by tomorrow.
Yeah, guys, take care.
Later, guys. Where's my... I
did
prepared.
my 2-finger salute.
I wasn't prepared. Oh, I'm muted again.
You want to run through that again?
How does that even make sense? Like, I'm not even on. I don't know, man. Just, it is what it is. What can you do?
Not even a valid trade.
I'm not even on the audio mixer. There's no way to freaking mute. It's got to be something that when I turn something on, it like mutes it or something. All right, I'm ready this time. All right, guys. Appreciate you. Later.
Take care. Bye.